The amazing benefits of garlic. Garlic, also known as Allium Sativum, is widely used as a flavoring and cooking ingredient. However, garlic has been known for its beneficial health and medicinal properties since ancient times. It has been used as medicine by ancient civilizations such as the ancient Egyptians for thousands of years. Even the Indians praised its therapeutic properties and thought it to be an aphrodisiac. Some even believe that garlic has the ability to chase away ghosts, vampires, and bad spirits. As there is no recorded proof of this, we will be limiting our focus to the medicinal abilities of garlic. The ancient Greek physician Hippocrates, known today as the father of Western medicine, prescribed garlic for a wide range of conditions and illnesses. He used garlic for treating diverse conditions like respiratory problems, parasites, poor digestion, and fatigue. The main beneficial compounds in garlic are allicin and diallyl sulfides. These sulfurous compounds are antibacterial and antifungal. Garlic can be eaten raw or cooked. The best garlic is fresh garlic as opposed to bottled in water or oil. This is because the active compound allicin degrades dramatically through processing and heating. Avoid microwaving your garlic if you can, as it kills off nearly all of its benefits. Here are some of the amazing benefits of garlic. 1. Boosts the immune system. Garlic supplements are known to boost the function of the immune system. Hence, garlic can help protect against illnesses such as the common cold. Adding garlic to your daily diet may help reduce illnesses like flu and the common cold that most people seem to get seasonally. Garlic may also help reduce the average length of cold symptoms by as much as 70%. To get the benefit from garlic, it can be eaten raw as in a salad or cooked in a meal. Either way, it will boost your immune system. 2. Reduce blood pressure. Garlic has the ability to help lower blood pressure in hypertensive patients. A study conducted by researchers at Ankara University found that taking garlic extract supplements led to reduced blood pressure in patients with hypertension. They also found that garlic extract supplementation strengthens blood antioxidant potential. 3. Protects the heart. Diallyl trisulfide, which garlic contains, helps protect the heart during cardiac surgery and after a heart attack, researchers have found. They also believe diallyl trisulfide could be used as a treatment for heart failure. The sulfur in garlic stimulates nitric oxide production in blood vessels, which relaxes and improves the elasticity of the blood vessels, reducing the risk of stroke and atherosclerosis, which is a hardening of the arteries. This is a process that protects the heart. 4. May help prevent Alzheimer's disease. Garlic contains antioxidants which can help protect our bodies against cell damage and aging. These antioxidant properties may reduce the risk of common brain conditions like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. 5. Improve athletic performance. Garlic is one of the earliest known performance-enhancing substances known to man. According to the Journal of Nutrition, Olympic athletes in ancient Greece were given garlic to boost their athletic performance. Garlic was used in ancient times to reduce fatigue and improve the work capacity of laborers. It can help you last that little bit longer in the gym. All you need to do is eat some garlic in your daily diet. 6. May help detoxify the body. Studies have shown that eating garlic may help detoxify the body of heavy metals and other things that don't belong in the body. It was found to reduce lead levels in the blood by 19%. It has also been proven to reduce many clinical signs of toxicity, including headaches and blood pressure. Garlic is a powerful detox food that can rid your body of harmful toxins and compounds that we come across daily. 7. Prevents cancer. Garlic is recognized for helping to prevent numerous types of cancer, including brain, breast, bowel, and lung cancer. It is also said to be able to treat prostate and bladder cancer. Scientists at the Medical University of South Carolina reported in the journal Cancer that compounds found in garlic have demonstrated efficacy in eradicating brain cancer cells. 8. A powerful antibiotic. A study published in the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy found that diallyl sulfide was 100 times more effective than two popular antibiotics in fighting the Campylobacter bacterium. Knowing that this compound which garlic contains is so powerful, all you need to do is incorporate garlic into your diet to get its antibacterial benefits. Other amazing benefits of garlic include improving bone health, managing cholesterol levels, tackling skin conditions such as warts and insect bites, and it's anti-inflammatory. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family.